Hure Mana Sri Nandanandana by Govinda Das Kaviraj. O mind, just worship the lotus feet of the son of Nanda, which make one fearless. Having obtained this rare human birth, cross over this ocean of worldly existence through the association of saintly persons. So Govinda Das Kaviraj Maharaj is telling us, he's preaching to the mind. And he's telling the mind that the mind should just worship the lotus feet of the son of Nanda. This is very important because the mind wants to do everything else except worship the lotus feet of Krishna. And he says here that if we worship the lotus feet of Krishna, then we become fearless. And then he says, this human birth is very rare. So we should pray to cross over this ocean of worldly existence. But you cannot do it alone. You can only do it with saintly persons and their association. Both in the day and night I remain sleepless, suffering the pains of the heat and cold, the wind and the rain. This shows us, that in this world, forget about challenges from living entities. Even challenges of the weather, challenges of nature, they also affect us. For a fraction of flickering happiness, I have uselessly served wicked and miserly men. And this is how most living entities lead their lives eventually. We live it in such a way that we think by pleasing others, who are not devotees, somehow or another we will gain some measure of happiness. This is what happened to Pingala all through her life, isn't it? She tried to serve so many people, and in the end she was miserable. So when we have misplaced love and affection, and it is not at Krishna's lotus feet, then for a fraction of flickering happiness, so much misery actually comes. What assurance of real happiness is there in all of one's wealth, youthfulness, sons and family members? So Govinda Das Kaviraj is telling us, we are looking for happiness in our family. We are looking for it in wealth, bank balances. When we are young, we think, being young means something very wonderful. We think our sons will be there for us, and maybe our daughters also. But he says this life is tottering like a drop of water on a lotus petal. A drop of water on a lotus petal has no other way but to drop actually. That's the nature of the petal. It doesn't allow water to stay very long. So we think, that these assurances of real happiness will stay with us. But factually speaking, Govinda Das Kaviraj Maharaj is telling us that they don't stay with us. They don't. Eventually they must leave us actually. And therefore, he says, you should always serve and worship the divine feet of Lord Hari. That is what we should be using our time, valuable time for. It is the desire and great longing of Govinda Das to engage himself in the 9 processes of bhakti, namely hearing the glories of Lord Hari, chanting those glories, constantly remembering him and offering prayers to him, serving the Lord's lotus feet, serving the Supreme Lord as a servant, worshipping him with flowers and incense and so forth, serving him as a friend, and completely offering the Lord one's very self. So at the heart of this wonderful bhajan is this important point that life is flickering, and so is our happiness. Let us not waste time now, and let us use it well for Krishna. It's very important. Bajahure mana. We have karatas, Makashpur and Bajahure mana Shri Nandanandana Abhaya Charanada Vindare Bajahure mana Shri Nandanandana Abhaya Charanada Vindare Bajahure mana Shri Nandanandana Abhaya Charanada Vindare. Durlava Manava जन्म सत्संगे तराओ ए भव सिंधु रे। बजाहु रे मन श्री नंदनंदन अभय चरण रविंद रे। दुर्लभ मानव जन्म सत्संगे तराओ ए भव सिंधु रे। दुर्लभ मानव जन्म सत्संगे तराओ ए भव सिंधु रे। सीत आतप बत बरीशना ए दिना जामिनी जाहि रे। सीत आतप बत भरीशना ए दिना जामिनी जाहि रे। विफले से विनु कृपन धुरा जना चपल सुखल भाला धीरे। हे धन यौवन पुत्र परिजन इते की अच्छे पराती धीरे। कमल दल जल जीवन तल मला कमल दल जल जीवन तल मला। बजाहु हरि पदानी बजाहु हरि पदानी तीरे। श्रवण कीर्तन स्मरण वंदन पाद सेवन दास्य रे। श्रवण कीर्तन स्मरण वंदन पाद सेवन दास्य रे। पूजन सखी जन आत्मनिवेदन गोविंद दास दासाभिलास्य रे। पूजन सखी जन आत्मनिवेदन गोविंद दासाभिलास्य रे। बजहु रे मन श्री नंदनंदन अभय चरण अरविंद रे। दुर्लभ मानव जन्म सत्संगे तराओ ए भव सिंधु रे। हरि हरि सीत आतप बत भरीशन ए दिन जामिनी जागिरे। विफले सेविलु कृपन दुराजन चपल सुखल भाला गिरे। धन यौवन पुत्र परिजन इते किया छे परातीति रे। कमल दल जल जीवन तलमल कमल दल जल जीवन तलमल भजहु हरि पदानीति रे। भजहु हरि पदानीति रे। श्रवण कीर्तन स्मरण वंदन पाद सेवन दास्य रे। श्रवण कीर्तन स्मरण वंदन पाद सेवन दास्य रे। पूजन सखी जनान विनेदन गोविंद दासाभिलास्य रे। पूजन सखी जना गोविंद दासाभिलास्य रे। भजहु रे मन श्री नंदनंदन भजहु रे मन श्री नंदनंदन अभय चरण अरविंद रे। अभय चरण अरविंद रे। भजहु रे मन श्री नंदनंदन अभय चरण जय गोविंद दास कविराज महाराज की।